passed down from generation to generation, preserving all of the unique heirloom varieties that we have today. But seed saving is quickly becoming a lost art. In Simple Seed Saving, we've taken a subject that can get really technical, and we've really tried to simplify and condense it into a format that anyone can learn in an afternoon. We go through all the basics of seed saving and pollination, annuals and biennials, heirlooms and hybrids. Then we take a closer look at individual plants and exactly how to save seeds from each one. There are detailed charts you can download for reference. The course concludes with advice on how to store your seeds so that they will last for years.